In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Shopify Boutique theme. Starting off, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify dashboard. Once you're there, take a look at the left panel, where you'll see a range of options. Click on Online Store. This is a crucial first step because it's where all your themes live and breathe, essentially determining the look and aesthetics of your store. Now that you've clicked on Online Store, you'll see a button or link that says Import Theme. You might see it standing out or tucked away with several other options. Give it a click because this is your gateway to discovering new themes that can give your online store a fresh and professional look. Once you've hit Import Theme, direct your attention to the Visit Theme Store option. This will take you to Shopify's extensive library of themes, catering to a variety of industries and styles. At this point, you're on the Theme Store's landing page. Here, you have access to a plethora of themes specifically designed to enhance your e-commerce website's aesthetics and functionality. Use the search bar, usually located at the top or somewhere noticeable on the page, and type in Boutique. The Boutique theme is designed specifically for creating elegant and stylish online shopping experiences. It's perfect for those who want their shop to exude class and finesse. Once you hit search, the Boutique theme should appear in the results. Click on it to open its page, where you'll see detailed information about its features and the kind of atmosphere it sets for a website. You have two main options to interact with the theme. First, you can click Try Theme to test it on a trial basis. This is a fantastic option if you want to get a feel for the theme's functionality and appearance without fully committing. This trial will give you a taste of how your sorted content and products would display, helping in your decision-making process. If you're more visual and would like to see a full-scale view before trying it out, simply click View Demo. This will provide a complete representation of the theme in action, showcasing its versatility and how it can be adapted to suit various boutique needs. One vital piece of information to keep in mind is that the Boutique theme is a paid theme. This means there will be associated costs if you decide to go beyond the trial phase or decide to integrate it permanently into your store. But with the price tag comes the promise of quality features, customer support, and regular updates, ensuring your site remains not only visually appealing, but also technically sound. And that's it. You've now navigated through the steps to find and test the Shopify Boutique theme. I hope this guide helps you make an informed decision on whether this theme is the right fit for your online business.